Hello and welcome to another CVS video. I hope you guys are off to an amazing start. So yes y'all, this is my haul for today, Sunday, July 31st through to August 6th. I believe there is quite a few deals out there that you guys could find, quite a few. But I'm going to go into these deals and show you guys what I did. So stay tuned. So yes y'all, the first thing I want to say is welcome all my new subscribers, and I also want to thank all my loyal subscribers for sticking with me, guys. I thank you guys so very much. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing great. As I said, this is my CVS haul for the week of July 31st through to August 6th. I cannot believe it's August 6th already. Almost. Oh my God. Okay, so let's jump right into these deals. So the Dove, the Axe body wash, Axe deodorant, Dove body wash, the regular Dove, the Dove body love, the body butter, all of that good stuff is buy one get one 50% off, and when you spend $25 you get a $10 extra buck. Guys, if you have the coupon that came in today's inserts and you have a 4 off a 20 or 4 off a 25 body wash, get out and do this deal, because you know one Dove could run you at least $10 for one, and you're gonna spend $25 and get $10 back. That's more than cheap. Okay, the Suave, this body wash is buy one get one 50, and it's a part of the, I believe that's part of the spend 30 get 10. The L'Oreal Elvive is buy 3 get a $5 extra buck. The Ensure and the Glucerna, these are buy 2 earn a $5 extra buck. I have my stuff back there, my gift bags or gift baskets. The Head and Shoulders this week, it's also a part of the spend 30 get 10. So is the Herbal Essence, so is the Charmin, and so is the Bounty that's nestled behind there. There is nothing for the Neutrogena, but I had some CRTs that made these free, and also for the Aveeno they were like $1 and change each. So for the first transaction, let me show you guys the receipt. For the first transaction, I gotta love one thing. Once I went into the CVS this morning, I was informed by the cashier that you can only use one coupon per transaction. As a matter of fact, I guess they're reading the fine print, and you're only supposed to use one coupon. If it says 2 coupons, 2. If it says 1, whatever. They're following the coupon guidelines. Now, she mentioned that several couponers came in there, and because of that they left, they didn't buy it. But I'm like, look, I'm gonna let it do what it do. If you're only gonna take one coupon, I'm gonna make it do what it do, and I did, and it turned out beautifully. So let me show you guys the receipt. So I got my store was very slim when it came on to Dove. It was very slim. They had like maybe 3 of the regular Dove. They had a few Dove Body Love and a few of the Body Butter. So here the Dove, the Body Butter was $10.79, and also the Body Cleanser was $10.79, and one is 50% off. The Axe, the body wash was $6.49, and the body spray was $5.99, and here is the Suave for $2.29. Now these are all the coupons that I rolled. Those $3, one is for the Dove, one is for the body butter, one is for the cleanser. That $8 is the max value for the Axe. My cashier took off the max value, which was $8. Let me hold this coupon up because it seems to be okay, much better. Yeah, my thing here is dirty. I gotta wipe the face off this camera. Hold on, guys. Okay, I hope it's a little bit better. So let's get back to what I was saying. So the Suave was okay. Okay, the $3, it looks the same. The $3, I guess it's the light. The $3, the $3 is for the Dove. The $8 is for the Max for the Axe. The $4 is a 4 off a 25 CRT. I also had $1 off Axe Digital that glitched. I rolled $9 in extra bucks, but it lowered that one to $3.95, and I paid $0 out of pocket, and I got the $10 back for that, making that transaction free and a 105 money to the maker. So let me show you guys. It was this one, this, my hands are ashy, this, and this. So it's these products right here, those two Axe, this Suave, this Dove, and this Dove for free. Yeah, this was free. So let's show you guys the second transaction. It's going on with my phone. For the second transaction, I got the 2 Ensure, as I said there, buy 2 get a $10 extra buck. Now I had some CRTs and I'm like, let's get the Ensure because all the time I'm always getting the Glucerna. So one of this, I think the one at the bottom, the high protein, that one was $12.99, and the max protein was $11.79. So here's that receipt, $11.79 and $12.99. That subtotal $24.78. I rolled $9 and a penny. Damn, this lighting is not doing this any justice. There are all the coupons at $3 off for the Ensure. So what happened was, you know, sometimes you could give 2 coupons for the Ensure, even though it says 1 per purchase, 1 per transaction. The register really, once they scan it, it will take it, but now they said they cannot do that. So what happened, I used the digital, and I used one of the paper coupon that came into this insert, which is fine. I had the 5 off a 25 nutritional drink, a 3 off a 2 Ensure, and there is this $9 and a penny. And I rolled $1, and I paid $1.77 out of pocket. I had a 93% savings. Here I got the $5 back for doing that transaction, making both Ensure only $5.75 for both. So let's go on to the third transaction. So on the third transaction, I'm all over the place, guys, just bear with me. For this transaction, I have this Dove, just the same transaction. I repeated this because I did this on several cards. As usual, you know me. If the stuff is free or cheap, I roll all my cards and do that transaction. So this body wash and this deodorant, not deodorant, body spray, this Suave, these 2 Dove, subtotal $27.97. I rolled $7.04. Let me show you the receipt. Let me hush and show you the receipt. Here's the receipt. I rolled $7.04 in extra bucks, paid $1.91 out of pocket. And here I got the $10 back, which makes this transaction not only free again, but a 105 money maker. Yeah, it was a money maker on that transaction. So let's move this out the way. Stay here, you go here, 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 and here. So on the second transaction, which is almost the same or the same, I have that one, this one. What else is in this transaction? 1, 2, 3, this one, and those are 3 L5. Those 3 L5. So those items subtotal $40.63. I rolled $10 and you know what? Tell me to shut up. Let's show you the receipt. Much better. Because I'm going to show you the receipt. Anyway, So here's the 2 Dove, the Axe, the Elvive. They're all my coupons. I had a 4 off a 40 CRT. I had a $2 digital for the Elvive app only from last week. $1 off Axe digital. There is the $10.05. Pay $4.59 out of pocket. And you know, I got $5 back for doing the Elvive, and I got $10 back for doing the spend 25 get 10. So that made that transaction free plus 37 cents money maker. So on the other transaction, let's try and scoot this out the way. On the other transaction, as usual, I'm going to show you the receipt. Come on. I did, oh, my towel is right there. Oof. I did the spend 30 get 10. So here I have the 2 herbal essence, the 2 head and shoulders, the Bounty and the Charmin, and the 3 Elvive on this, and 2 Glucerna. That subtotal, let me tell you what the subtotal is, $70.73, because I wanted to use that 10 off a 70 purchase. So here are all the goody good. So I rolled $10.62 in extra bucks, and I paid $26.31 out of pocket. Ouch. And when it's time to print my receipt, this is what printed, and the rest was like that. So I checked my card and it was sent to my card. So I got the $10 for the spend 30 that went on my card. I got the 5 for the Elvive and the 5 for the Glucerna. So I got $20 back. So which made that transaction, let's see, a cost of $16.93. $16.93 for the Bounty, the Charmin, 3 Elvive, 2 Glucerna, 2 Head and Shoulders, and 2 herbal essence. I think that's darn good, but it would have been better if it was cheaper. I didn't have any extra bucks to, you know, to spend. So for this one now, I did the Aveeno. Why is this so dark? Is it me, guys, or is it very cloudy? I don't know. It looks, you know, it looks very crazy on camera. Okay, so the Aveeno is buy one get one 40%. So I purchased the Positively Radiant, this one. Oops, that one was $11.99, and this one was 50% off, not 50, 40% off. That was $9.79. Now I had a 5 off a 2 Aveeno, and a 6 off a 2, and a 4 off a 15 Aveeno facial. And I'm like, girl, do that deal this week, because I think the 5 off was gonna expire today. So I'm like, let's do that. So after all of those fandangles, I paid only $2.38, or roughly $1.20 for one of these. That's absolutely amazing. Now, this is the next freebie for the week. There's nothing with the I believe Neutrogena this week is, the cosmetics is buy 2 get 6. I believe that's what it is this week. Yeah, but these were $3. You know what? $3.69. So this subtotal $7.38. I had $1 off digital, and I had a 5 off a 2 Neutrogena. So that lowered it to $4.90, which is okay. And I paid nothing out of pocket. So these 2 babies were absolutely, completely free. I know there are more deals out there, guys, but I wasn't in the mood to do anything. I stopped by Walgreens this morning and I did a deal, and I'm going to upload that video in a minute. So, guys, thank you very much. If I miss any deal, just let me know, and I might go back before the end of the week, or maybe tomorrow on my way from work. That way I could use whatever extra CRTs that I didn't get to use today. With that being said, guys, enjoy the rest of your week. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday afternoon. Have a safe and productive one. And don't forget, stay safe, sanitize, you know the drill. social distancing, wear your masks, all of that good stuff. Take care, guys, and I'll catch you all in another video. Bye.